The electric power steering warning light indicates a problem within your vehicle's steering system. Unlike older hydraulic systems, EPS uses an electric motor to assist steering. When the light appears, the system has detected a fault, potentially affecting steering assist and safety. Ignoring this warning can lead to heavier steering or even a complete loss of power steering. EPS faults can arise from various sources. These include faulty sensors, low battery voltage, wiring issues, software glitches, or even motor problems. Faulty sensors are a common cause. The torque sensor measures steering effort, and issues here can trigger EPS faults. Low battery voltage can disrupt the EPS system, leading to faults. Wiring issues, such as loose connections, can cause communication problems in the EPS. Diagnostic trouble codes like P0625 for generator issues or U0126 for lost sensor communication can pinpoint the exact problem. Remember, electrical problems are the main culprit in EPS faults, unlike hydraulic systems which deal with fluid leaks. A simple reset procedure involves cycling the ignition. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. Alternatively, you can use an OBD2 scanner to clear any stored fault codes. Free apps like Torque or Scan My Tesla might work for some models. This process essentially resets the ECU's memory. However, it's a diagnostic step, not a permanent fix. For a more reliable reset, use a compatible OBD2 scanner. The OBD2 port is usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the scanner to read and record any fault codes. This helps identify the EPS issue. Then, select the option to clear the codes from the scanner's menu. Start the car and see if the EPS light remains off. Scanners like the OBD-Link MX Plus are good for EPS-specific codes. If the EPS warning light reappears after resetting, it indicates a more serious underlying issue that needs attention. This could involve a faulty sensor, damaged wiring, or a failing motor. These components are critical to the electric power steering system. In such cases, a professional mechanic is required for proper diagnosis and repair. Continuing to drive with a persistent EPS fault could compromise your safety, as the steering assistance may fail. An EPS fault can lead to sudden loss of power steering assist, making the steering wheel much harder to turn. This increases the risk of an accident, especially at low speeds. Always test drive your vehicle after a reset to ensure the steering is functioning correctly. If you notice any stiffness or unusual behavior, seek immediate professional assistance. EPS systems are becoming increasingly integrated with ADAS and EVs. Advancements in AI-driven diagnostics are allowing for predictive maintenance. This potentially automates resets before warning lights even activate. Over-the-air updates, especially in EVs, can also resolve EPS faults automatically. Future systems may even incorporate quantum sensors for more accurate fault detection. Experts emphasize that resetting the EPS light should be a last resort, not a substitute for proper diagnosis. If the light reappears, it's a sign of a more significant problem. Statistics show that EPS faults account for 8% of vehicle recalls. And while resets are sometimes successful in 65% of cases, unresolved issues can be costly to repair, averaging $300 to $800. Prioritize safety and seek professional help when needed.